Hey everybody, Big D here.
And I'm Liam.
Welcome back to another Working Wednesday episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. Well, on today's video we got a lot going on, so I'm going to let Liam tell you what's going on in today's video.
Okay, today we're working on the lift kit, finally, for the 1996 Toyota 4Runner. Project Apocalypse, as we call it.
Yes.
A couple things we have to do: rear axle seal. We also have to do the lift kit. Today we're just concentrating on the rear end.
Yeah. We're going to jump into that segment, so you guys watch that and enjoy it, and we will see you right back here in just a few moments. Here we go. Okay, we're starting on the rear of the lift kit, but first, before we do that, we need to check out this wheel. Okay, we have noticed some grease or oil on the backside, or even maybe brake fluid. It's a little damp, and you see the oil marks on the tire. That oil / brake fluid is coming from somewhere. It's either coming from the axle seal on that side, or the brake piston for the drum. So we got to open that up and check that out, and then we'll get started on the rear lift kit. Yeah, because if you guys notice what William's talking about, that side dry, this side wet. All right.
So we got to check that out.
Yep.
Well, here we go. Okay, you saw we got all that done. Actually, it took us a couple of days. We got the rear lift kit in, and we got the axle seal changed and the brake cylinder changed.
Yes.
And got it all back together and on the ground.
Yes.
A few things we have to do still on the rear. We have to do the panhard bar relocation.
Yes.
Pretty much just welding on 2 tabs that change the geometry of the panhard bar.
Yes.
And we also have to fill the diff with, we already got the oil, we just haven't got to it. Make sure the diff is topped off for any oil that was lost in the seal going out, if it did go out.
Yes.
And that's pretty much it on the rear.
Yeah.
And of course, we're gonna have to change some of the rear body bushings are gonna have to be for our body lift. We're gonna have to go into that, but that's later down the road after we get all the other stuff done.
Yes. Also, you guys will notice this week, one, we're on our couch in the living room. That is because we're both working on projects at the same time.
Yeah, multiple projects going on in the garage. It's completely crazy.
Yes, you guys might see me kind of in the background, in today's video. That's because I am working on the 350 for dark matter. Finally got all the rest of the parts in that we needed to build the entire short block. So I've been kind of in the background getting the block cleaned back up because it's been sitting for several months and it had dust and dirt, and there was a couple little things on it that I wanted to get finished up that I didn't do last time, so went ahead and got all those taken care of. That way when we start the build, you guys don't have to go through the boring process of again like you did a year ago of watching us detail out the block and clean it up, and we're just, all that's going to be already done, so when you guys see the block, it'll already be ready to go and the parts will be ready to go in it. So yeah, other than that, tell them about what's going on with our live streams, former live streams.
We're the live streams aren't seeming to work out for us. We're not getting any traffic. We're not getting any views and stuff like that. So we're just going to drop that portion and try to work more on actual video editing, video quality, and get more videos out.
We also had discussed and stuff that you guys are used to getting our videos every Wednesday. We even call them Working Wednesday videos. Like a year ago, we're pretty much kind of going back to our old format. You guys will get a video, maybe 2 a week, depending upon how much stuff we get done and with editing and all that stuff. But we're pretty much your standard 1 video a week is now going to be a floater video, so don't be expecting it for sure on a Wednesday anymore. It could be on a Tuesday, it could be on Thursday, Friday.
But we're going to try to stick to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays when the video is going to pop. So
yes,
just keep an eye out for those days, and we'll try to get those out as quickly as possible.
Because of scheduling and projects, and with COVID-19
and the summer heat.
Yes, and the severe summer heat, we are having to go back to the floating video during the week. So we apologize for that, but again, maybe you guys might like that more than having to wait until Wednesday or whatever. So yeah. So the plan is within, the next week or 2, we should be doing the full lower end build of the motor.
Yeah.
Because again, right now we are focused on Apocalypse, getting the lift kit and the bumpers done and all that good stuff.
Yeah, so that's going to be, we might switch back and forth once we get the lift kit done, but until then, we're trying to get the 4Runner out of the garage as quickly as possible.
Yeah.
So,
But yeah, sorry about Sundays. So yeah, just be looking for us next week. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like button, and if you are new to the channel or just haven't taken the time or opportunity to hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that for us as well. We greatly appreciate it. And also hit the bell icon over in the corner so you get alerts to your mobile device every time we go live or upload a new video. We will see you guys next week. I am Big D.
And I'm Liam.
And we're out.